Ohio gun lawyer Derek DeBrosse coming to you. Munitions Group, munitionsgroup.com. We have offices in Columbus and Atlanta. Answering questions once again, and today's question is regarding moving out of the state of Ohio when you have a concealed carry license. They state they have an Ohio concealed carry license. They moved to Texas. Is it still valid? And if so, can they renew it? So every state's different, as I've said before in other topics. So make sure you research your state law. Some states have non-resident permits. I hold a Utah permit, for example. I don't live in Utah, but I have one. Ohio does have a non-resident permit. However, it's relatively new, and it only exists for people that actually work in the state of Ohio and are residents outside the state of Ohio. So if you're not a resident of Ohio anymore, you need to get a permit in the state that you're residing in. There's no jurisdiction anymore over Ohio over you. You have a license from them, but you're not a resident. And when you applied, you stated that you were a resident, and it was a requirement to have that license. I would just strongly encourage whoever asked the question to make sure they research the laws in Texas, make sure they qualify and apply down there. As far as reciprocity is concerned, Ohio recognizes Texas, and I believe Texas recognizes Ohio. So from a strictly reciprocal standpoint, if you have an Ohio license, you can go to Texas. But remember, the rule of thumb is always the same when you're acting on a reciprocity. We do as the Romans do. So if you're in Texas, everything about Ohio law, throw it out the window. We follow Texas law down there. And that could be a good thing in a lot of ways. So keep those things in mind, and as always, be safe out there and carry on.